Welcome, fam. Woke up stiff through your hips or off in your balance? This isn't just tight muscles, it's your body asking for realignment. Let's ground your energy, unlock your base, and bring back full body control. Let's hit the mat. If you've been sitting for hours or waking up feeling restricted, this one targets the exact areas that lock down first. Step wide to your right into a deep side lunge. Bring both hands to the floor, pivot into a runner stretch. Return to standing, switch to the left. Keep the transitions fluid. Breathe with every movement. You can feel lateral hip opening, inner thigh release, and hamstring lengthening. This combo move hits your hips from multiple angles. I promise it'll wake up your movement patterns you didn't realize were frozen. That lateral space you just created, we're about to lengthen it even more, up through your ribs. Can you deepen the lunge and slow the transition? Stay with it 5 more seconds. Are you moving through your resistance or avoiding it? That just unlocks your lower body. Now let's stretch the sides and reset your breath. Most people stretch forward and backward, but neglecting the side body limits mobility and weakens breath support. Kneel on your right leg with your left foot extended out. Inhale, reach your left arm overhead. Exhale, gently lean to the right, creating a long arc from fingers to hip. You can feel free to swing your arm gently, switch sides at 30 seconds. You can feel expansion through your rib cage, obliques, and hip stabilizers. This resets posture and improves core engagement. I promise it creates space where tension hides, and breath can't yet reach. Tight obliques can pull on the hips and shorten your stride. This fixes that. Hold and reach 1 inch further for 5 seconds. Are you lifting through the ribs or collapsing into the side? That just recentered your breath. Now let's activate your internal joint control. This is where deep control begins, not with strength, but with movement you can't see in the mirror. Get into a low squat and slowly drop your right knee towards your left foot. Come back to center and alternate. Keep it slow and intentional for the full minute. You can feel rotation deep inside your hips, not your thighs or feet. Internal hip rotation is often forgotten, but I promise it's a secret to smoother movement and fewer injuries. Now we've got control. We're about to explore full circle motion. Pause at your max rotation. Feel the control. 5 seconds. Are your hips doing the work, or is your torso cheating? That just built joint control. Now let's open the circle wide. Ready to play again? Large, slow hip circles wake up coordination and bring lightness to your body. Stand with knees soft, feet grounded. Slowly circle your hips clockwise in a wide range. At 30 seconds, reverse direction. Make it smooth like you're tracing the edges of a giant invisible hoop. You can feel your core engaged, hips mobile, spine gently shifting with the motion. This unlocks the pelvis from all directions. I promise it reprograms your center to move the way it was designed to. This motion activates the pelvic floor and relieves pressure in the low spine. Can you slow down the circles and increase range of 5 more seconds? Are you leading the movement or rushing through? That just revitalized your mobility. Now let's root it all into the ground. This is the final test. Can you stay deep, still, and grounded? Most can't, but you're not most people. Stand with feet wider than hips, toes slightly out. Drop into a deep squat, elbows inside knees, hands in front. Press knees open with elbows. Keep your chest lifted. Hold still and gently rock. You're going to feel a deep release in the hips and groin, grounded tension dissolving. This pose opens your entire base. I promise it's the stretch that connects you back to your center, physically and mentally. This also stimulates digestion and nervous system calm. Hold completely still for 5 seconds. Don't fidget. Breathe. Are you rooted or trying to escape the discomfort? That just sealed the reset. Hips steady, core calm, energy clear. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession, all delivered daily to your email inbox. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.